Hello, my name is Trinidad Dominguez Vila. I am professor of business administration and marketing at the University of Vigo in Spain. My research interests are focused mainly on tours for people with disability, senior tours, electronic tours, and the relationship between all of them. The relationship between people with disability and tourists has increased in academic and government attention over the last decades. More developed economies have been improving the national and supranational legislation to protect the needs of people with disability. This has inspired a new relationship between tourists and disability, including a very attractive new tourism segment for the market. In the For Accessible Travel and Tourism International Summit, we try to answer, does accessible tourism hold a high growth potential globally? See you soon.